my back pocket, pocket full of wishes that could fuel a rocket. Earth looks small from this dizzying height, but your voice pulls me back like a guiding light. I'm weightless, I'm reckless, I'm free, every breath a symphony.